Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So in this video we are going to discuss both views IELTS exam essay. Okay, so you can see this date, on this date 13th April 2024 IELTS exam. Almost everywhere the same question was there, but yes, some questions may change in another country. So you can always text me what kind of question was there in your 13th April IELTS exam. So I will try to cover that question also. So how to write, discuss both views, your brainstorm points, how to write introduction, how to write conclusion, body paragraph 1 to everything. I am going to cover it here. First is planning. So as you know, we have 40 minutes. Got it? 40 minutes. So how to utilize these 40 minutes? First 5 minutes you will be doing your planning part 1, and last 5 minutes you will be rereading your essay. So many students, they forgot to revise their essay. When you reread your essay at the end, last 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes spent on proofreading of your essay, because when you will read your own essay you will get your many mistakes. You can erase it and correct it. Okay, so first part we are doing planning. So planning means you have to read the question statement 3-4 times so that you can come out with the major topic as well as subtopics also. Let's do it with me. Yes, some people think that libraries are a waste of time, resources and money, so computers should replace. However, others do not agree. Some people think that libraries are a waste of time, resources and money, so computers should replace them. Computers here means online library or e-books library or computer storage or laptop or phone should replace all library things, because as we know everything is available on online. E-books are available, so that's why they are saying it. However, others do not agree. They do not agree that computers should replace them. In fact, they are agree that libraries should be there. So there are 2 point of view. Means equally we have to elaborate first point of view also, second point of view also. So there are 2 points. Now you have to decide your opinion, your side, which side you are. Either you support first former point of view or second point of view. You have to decide, and you have to decide in advance why you support this point of view. Okay, now we have come out with the main topic. We have analyzed the question statement, and what is the main topic? Of course, library should be replaced with computers. So first main topic is computers replace library. Second point of view says they say no replacement of libraries. Now we need to brainstorm why they say this, why they support this, why they support like computers should replace libraries, why they support libraries should not be replaced with computers. Okay, let's brainstorm it one by one. See this in actual exam, just draw a line, and left side means first body paragraph, second side, and this right side means second body paragraph. You can brainstorm like that only. Now see this first point for those who are saying computers replace library. So they are right. Actually they says it will take less space for storage in their computers or computer screens and all, and in contradiction when they are talking about library, they are occupying more space, floor or building you can say. And of course maintaining a library is a costly affair. So more expenses on library, like giving salaries to staff members, and air conditioning or maintenance of the building and all. And without third advantage, they are saying without going, one can read a book at home. Without going to libraries, one can read any library book at home on computer screens. Now second point of view, those who say no replacement of libraries. Why they are saying? Because they are saying it is a positive environment when someone is reading a book in a peaceful environment, like peace and calm environment kind thing. Second is when someone is reading a physical book. physical experience of touching of books and touching of papers or pages will give something different experience. We can't compare with these things. And third is students can get a reading place, learning place, means during exam days, suppose he will try to read or he will try to get preparation for his exam at home, but at home many disturbances are there, noise pollution, and family members, they are talking, gossiping and all. So but in library, purely and purely you will get learning experience, learning place to do anything. So these are my points, so I will explain it one by one. So first body paragraph and second body paragraph. Now what is the format of this? Now see this format of discuss both views. Of course 4 paragraph, 1 2 3 4 paragraphs are required, we need it. In introduction 3 sentence formula is there. Now in second body detail 1 paragraph you will talk about this computer first point of view. In body detail 2 paragraph you will write about this second point of view, and then conclusion including your opinion also. And one more thing, if you say that I support computers, then here also you can include your opinion, there is no harm. Now vocabulary. Now vocabulary means, let me tell you from here, this is the question. So here library word and money, resource, time, computers, these words will come again and again in essay. At least I think library word will also come again and again 30-40 times, 20-30 times at least. So if you write libraries again and again, that will be a boring essay. I mean to say repetition of words should not be there in IELTS essay. But if you do not have any synonyms in your mind while writing, then you can add some words like government libraries, school libraries, university libraries. So just point out the sentence accordingly and then you can add something in front or after. I will show you vocabulary for this. See this vocabulary. So libraries, I have tried to find synonyms on Google, but nothing too much initiative kind of thing I have not found for library word. So I can say book room, information center, knowledge center or information center in libraries, or public libraries, private libraries, university libraries, government buildings, you can say. And resources and money, wealth, money, funds, assets, you can write. Computers, advanced technology computers, you can write. Online systems, apps to read books, e-books, you can say. Replace, take place of, put in place of. So these are the words. So you will see I have used many synonyms. I have made it myself also, because many common words we are using it for library. You see my essay. So this is template. So I would like to advise you, first you learn writing of your essay through templates, and then if you have like good knowledge, now you can change your own template. These words you can change it, you can adjust your words according to the topic, and initially you can practice your essay with these templates. Now after that you can change these words. I am telling you, it's a good thing if you change the templates and if you write your own essay without any template. But if you can't write, if you have problem how to start introduction, how to start body paragraphs, then please use these connectors, these template language. Okay, so it is true that main topic is more significant for society. So how I have written, it is true that now only library I have written, but yes, you can write, it is true that the presence of library is more significant for the society. So next is, so black one is template language, the pink one is the topic related lines. Now it is clear, I think it is visible. Some hold the opinion that a new advanced technology like computers can replace book places such as public and private libraries, as they think these places are complete waste of funds and assets. See, this is paraphrasing of question statement. I will show you the question. See, some people think that this is common language. Some hold the opinion that libraries are a waste of resources, and so I have talked about computers first and then this thing, that a new advanced technology like computers can replace places, so computers should replace them. This I have written, such as, so I am trying to use my own vocabulary, so I have made it such as public and private libraries, as they think, because they think that libraries are a waste of time, resource and money. As they think, these places are complete waste of funds and assets, including time also. You can write waste of funds, assets, time. So this is proofreading. I am reading my essay, rereading my essay, that's why I am getting my mistake. Okay. Now another second, however, others do not agree. While other critics oppose it, as they believe that libraries cannot be replaced, this essay intends to analyze both views and explain why I am in favor of the latter point of view or idea. See this, while writing, see, I will show you my template. Now I am used to this template. So I have, while writing, so simply I have tried to change my template. This essay, this line, whereas others believe different arguments. So I have written, while other critics oppose it. See, when you will be having more practice, you and learn these phrases. So I have list of all these phrases. You can also learn it. Then you can fit your own phrases, because basic thing you know it, then you can apply anything. Now coming to body paragraph 1. These are my points. Less space for storage in computers, more expenses on library, no maintenance will be there for computers. Without going, one can read a book. Okay, so here on the one hand, see this, on the one hand, proponents of the first side consider that black one is ready-made language and this is topic related, question related. Computers can completely replace libraries. In other words, means I am going to explain the meaning and the point also. Libraries, so library only. Library rooms and buildings take a lot of space for book storage and sitting areas, which is sometimes on rent. Okay, so this is the explanation of the point. All these problems can be removed by introducing digitalized libraries on computers and phone storage spaces. Okay, so simply I have explained the concept. So next prominent thing to add here, online libraries can save time and cost of any government or university. To justify my viewpoint, means example, if a student wants to read a book, then he can just open his laptop screens and read anywhere he wants to learn, instead of moving to university or school book rooms. Okay, final point. Finally, computers, now I forgot to change my pen. Finally, this is template. This is that connector, you can say. It is not like everywhere we can use it. Computers have large capacity storage. Computers have large capacity storage space where readers can store many books and benefit from not keeping many physical books at home. Hence, huge libraries can be a waste of money and effort. So I have concluded my paragraph. Hence, huge libraries can be a waste of money and efforts. Okay, now second body paragraph. Now see these points we will explain in the second. On the other hand, a positive environment for reading in a piece, physical reading experience, students can get a proper reading place or learning place. Okay, see this. On the other hand, supporters of the latter point of view, supporters of the latter point of claim that it is wrong to exchange true reading experience with online platform screens. I have not repeated anything. So it is wrong to exchange reading experience with online platforms. The reason for this, so I have announced my point. The reason for this is that if they sit at homes for reading or note making, they experience a lot of distractions like noise pollution, family disturbance. As a result, what will happen? A true reading experience, environment can be claimed only at public libraries, where they can concentrate on their studies and all. For instance, during exam days, a learner can spend his whole day for learning and reviewing the whole syllabus. Syllabus spelling is wrong, I know it. I also forgot. Another vital point to consider here, when a book lover is reading a book, okay, there will be no strain on eyes, wherein eyesight will be affected in e-book reading. So that's a fact. Eyesight specifically, definitely it will affect. Therefore, now I am concluding the paragraph. Therefore, these libraries are useful for readers in many ways. Again, I have concluded the full paragraph. See this. Here also I have concluded, hence huge libraries, and here also I have concluded, therefore these libraries are useful for readers in many ways. So in conclusion, in conclusion, every point has its own logic, okay, because we have discussed two point of views. Although on-screen book reading can be beneficial in space saving physically and more storage capacity in computers, and I strongly believe no other factor can be more important than physical libraries for reading books the most. So I am supporting second point of view. That's why in a balanced approach, now I am giving balanced approach also. I would suggest inside physical libraries some sort of digital things should be introduced, like in most of the Canadian universities give this facility to students to get both options. So this is conclusion. See this, introduction, body 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion is here.